Okay, my sinceres. Today we are doing separate how to separate clothes video. Um, what I like to do is separate the clothes by dark, white, and light. Um, I have the white basket for the white clothes and the black baskets for the colored clothes. If I had a lighter basket, I would have used the lighter basket for the lighter clothes. But that is what I had, the two black baskets, and I labeled them dark and light. Okay. Now you see me separating the clothes, and I'm putting them in each basket where they belong. I'm putting the dark color clothes in the dark in the basket that says dark, and I'm putting the light colored clothes in the basket that says light. Okay. What I like to do when separating clothes, when it comes to my dark colored clothes, I will mostly keep them, turn them inside out. That way I can preserve the the color. Because sometimes, the dark colored clothes, they fade, the color fade on them. So that's what I do to keep them looking nicer longer. And also, the clothes with print. The clothes with print on them that can possibly be damaged during washing or drying. I also turn those inside out. Okay, I'm just gonna separate the clothes into and until I'm all done separating. If this video is helpful to you all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share my videos. And just let me know what other videos you would like for me to do as far as home organization type things. Anything dealing with the home. So when you're separating clothes, just do what makes sense. Obviously, you can tell the difference between, the white, the dark, and the light. Just do what makes sense. And the reason why we separate, the dark from the lights, the reason why I do it is because sometimes the dark colored clothes can fade onto the light colored clothes, and it'll damage those clothes. So that's why I like to separate dark and light colored clothes. I do want to add that I do not wash my towels and sheets with my clothes. I wash them separately from the clothes. And you'll see me making a pile off to my left, off to the left. Yeah, for the sheets and towels. I have to switch the baskets because the basket that I was using was getting full, so I had to have my son bring me another basket for the light colored clothes. Make sure you check those pockets because you don't want something that could possibly be in the clothes pockets to get caught up in the washer or dryer, or something that you don't want getting washed. So make sure you check those pockets. And I do want to say, not all clothes are washable or can be dried. So be careful with the washing of certain clothes and the drying of certain clothes. If you're not sure if clothes can be washed or dried, just read the label on your um, clothes. And this video is strictly teaching you how to separate clothes. It's not for like washing and drying and all of that. I'm only teaching you how I separate clothes, how I think separating should be done. If you have a different way of separating clothes, comment down below. God got me. Oh, I felt something crawl on my leg. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was the clothes, but I seen something when I looked at the video. I didn't see what it was, but I seen the clothes moving up against my leg. So something had to be in the clothes.